Hi, this is Chris Descotto with Salamander Designs, and I'm here with the Acadia Tabletop, which just won Best of Show at Infocom 24. Now, this is the first purposely built table stand for video conferencing. It allows you to mount a 43 to a 65-inch display that's up to 55 pounds, and you can add a total of 85 pounds to the unit, including the display. Now, this allows for camera placement either below, like you see here, or above, and there's 1 foot of travel on the actual mount, so it will work for all of your small to medium-sized rooms. Now, if we take a look over here, you can see what it looks like without the mount attached. And again, there's 1 foot of travel. It comes with a bracket so you can mount your cameras either below or above. And this is completely freestanding. So there's nothing that connects the base to the actual table. However, if you did want to secure it, there's 2 ways of doing it. There is an optional clamp that you can get for this, as well as you can screw in through the base, and those screw holes are hidden down this wire channel. So on the back over here, you have an area that you can strap in your small gear and codecs on both sides, and then you can wire manage it down through the center channel, and you can get those wires out the back, out the sides, or right down into the table if you want to cut a hole into your tabletop. Now, this is available today. Thank you. And if you want more information, visit salamandercommercial.com.